Please check out our group on Facebook, Jelly Roll Rugs Solid Centers and Embellishments. Using a solid center makes for an easier start, and can be very unique and artsy. Using a template, cut 2 in your desired fabric. Use your template again to cut the batting, try to match the thickness of your strips. Layer fabric right sides together and batting on top. Stitch and leave a 2-inch opening. Turn it right side out and press nicely. Then, stitch a 1/8 inch seam around the edge. Optional, you can embellish the center with different stitching or quilting. Prepare the end of your fabric strip by angling it as shown. Pin and sew the small angled strip to the center, scrunching as you go to fit the curves. Here are some tips. You need a nice flat sewing surface. Pin around all curves. Press, press, and press some more. Use fray check on loose threads, etc. Shape templates can be found on our Solid Centers Jelly Roll Rug Facebook group in the Files section.